Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a to the power of 3026 plus a to the power of 2024 equals to 36, and we find the value of a. So here first we rewrite this equation as, and now we rewrite its exponents in this form: a to the power of 3036, and we know that 3 multiplied by 1012 equals to 3026, plus similarly we write this 2024 as a to the power of 2 times of 1012, and this whole equation equals to 36. And now in the next step we use exponential law, and we convert these exponents in this form: a to the power of 1012 and its whole cubed, plus we write this expression as a to the power of 1012 and its whole square equals to 36. Because when we have exponent to the exponents, then these are multiplied by each other, and it will be written as in this form. So now here we convert this equation into the cubic form. So here we take y equals to a to the power of 1012. So when you put y equals to a to the power of 1012, so the above equation will be written as, here you put this equals to y, and it will becomes y cubed, plus when you put this value here, and it will becomes y square, and this whole equals to 36. So in the next step we solve this cubic equation, and now first we move this 36 in the left hand side, and it will be written as y cubed plus y squared minus 36 equals to 0. So here we rewrite this equation as y cubed plus y square, and we break this 36 and we write it as minus 27 minus 9, and this whole equals to 0. So we see that minus 27 and minus 9 equals to minus 36, and now in the next step we make the pair of y cube with 27 and y square with minus 9, and it will be written as y cube minus 27 in and plus y square minus 9, and this whole equals to 0. So here we again rewrite this equation as y cubed minus 27, and we write this 27 as 3 cubed, and plus we have y square minus 9, and we write this 9 as 3 square, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step we use here two formulas. So the one is cubic and the other is square. So we know that the cubic formula is, if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square, and our square identity will be written as a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use these two formulas on the above equation, so that the above equation will becomes after applying these two formulas. So first we use this cubic formula, and this expression will becomes y minus 3 times of y square plus 3y plus 3 square, and plus here we use the square identity in this expression, and it will be written as y minus 3 times of y plus 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now you focus on both of these terms, and you see that we have y minus 3 be the common expression, and when we take y minus 3 common, so here we get y square plus 3y, plus we have 3 square becomes 9, And when we take common y minus 3 here, then you get y plus 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we convert this expression in two cases. So our first case is we write y minus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write y square plus here we add 3y and y, it will becomes 4 times of y, and 9 plus 3 becomes 12, and this whole equals to 0. So in the first case we get the value of y equals to 3, and in this case, because this is the quadratic equation, and now we make the factors of this equation and we find the value of y. So because in this question we need to find the real roots, so that first we check is this quadratic equation has real roots or not. So here we use the discriminant formula in order to check its roots are real or not. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 12, and our discriminant formula will be written as delta equals to b square minus 4 times of ac. So we put all the values of a, b, and c here, and it will becomes 4 square minus 4 times of 1 into 12, and you see that 4 square is 16 minus 4 times of 12 is 48. And so here you see that 16 minus 48 is less than 0. So we know that if our delta is less than 0, so it gives no real roots. So here we have no real root, but in this question we need to find the real roots. This case cannot gives us the real root, so that we will rejected this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. And in this case we have the value of y equals to 3, but we see here the value of y is a to the power of 1012. So we back substitute the value of y. So when you put the value of y here, it will becomes a to the power of 1012 equals to 3. So because here we need to find the value of a, so that we take 1012th root on both of the sides. So it will becomes a to the power of 1012 and its whole power 1 over 1012 equals to 3 to the power of 1 over 1012. So now here you see that these are cancelled by each other, and this equation implies that a equals to 1012th root of 3. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.